Pad Krapow Gai or Thai Basil Chicken. It's a classic and favorite spicy Thai stir-fried dish. It's super yummy, very fragrant, and easy to make. Okay, so here are the ingredients. We'll start with Thai chilies, garlic, sugar, egg for frying, as far as the sauces go, we have fish sauce, light soy sauce, seasoning sauce, oyster sauce, and sweet dark soy sauce.
Done.
Smells really good. Pad Krapow Gai Kai Dao or Thai Basil Chicken with fried egg, a quick and easy stir-fry dish. Subscribe right now for more Thai cooking videos. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Give this recipe a try. Leave a comment or any questions below. We'll see you guys next time.